Hi, my name is Cherise Laverdiere, and I'm a service writer here at Gosh Ford. I love the automotive industry, and working for Gosh Ford, it's a great place to be. When you come here, we're the actual person that manufactures the vehicle, and everything that we do to the vehicle, we have hands-on, and you're going to have the job done properly. Customer service, we strive for that, for the Blue Oval, and we do the best we can for all of our customers.